up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be doing something to my hair that is completely long overdue, and that is trying henna. Well, not exactly henna. They call it neutral henna, but it's actually Cassia Obovata. It is a completely different plant from henna. It releases yellow dye, whereas real pure natural henna releases a red dye, and this will not color dark hair. However, if you have gray hair, it will turn it slightly yellowish kind of blonde. If you have blonde hair, it will brighten your blonde or even give it a more kind of brassy tinge. So let's get into it. I have heard that before doing henna treatments, it's better to wash your hair so that the minerals and stuff from the henna, or in this case cassia, sticks to the strands to strengthen your hair and do what it needs to do. So I'm going to definitely be washing my hair first. Okay, so I'm using about 50 grams of this henna. Now to the henna, I'm going to add about a quarter cup of water, and it's hot water. So now I'm gonna mix it up like this. Make sure all the dry bits are saturated. And now that it's like this consistency, a nice thick paste, I'm going to go ahead and add some cheap conditioner. In this case, I'm going to be using the VO5 Extra Body with Collagen Conditioner. This is what I would use, and I'm going to add about a quarter cup of this as well, but I'll do so gradually so that everything mixes together nicely. Now remember, with cassia and henna and even clays, all these powders with substantial mineral content, you do not want to use metal utensils to mix and stuff like that, because it will disrupt the mineral process. So you need to use plastic or glass. Plastic is best, but no metal at all. So I'm going to put in my last bit of conditioner. So some would call this a henna gloss or a cassia gloss, but because I used a full serving of henna and not just like a few tablespoons, this is going to give me a lot more strength and moisturizing than a traditional henna gloss would. In this mix, I'll be getting the full intense treatment of the henna with some extra moisturizing properties, because henna and cassia, in this case neutral henna, cassia, whatever you want to call it, they can be drying if used too much or too often, because henna does bind to the shaft of the hair to fill in any gaps and stuff like that. So this would be really amazing if you're experiencing damage or split ends, and it's also great for stimulating hair growth. Alright guys, so my hair is clean and freshly washed, and now I'm going to get into applying the cassia. So I have it here, and as you can see, it's a kind of greenish color. So I'm just going to apply this to my entire head, just slathering it on, make sure I get all up in there, and yeah. So what I'm doing first is to section my hair out so that it'll be easier to manage. So cassia does not stain, so you can completely apply this using your hands. You don't have to worry about gloves and stuff like that. Yeah, this is a completely different feel and texture that I'm used to. Definitely is giving strengthening type properties. Alright, so I've done this half of my head, and the way this thing has elongated my curls, ma'am. You can see how this side has already started shrinking back up. Look at it. Look at the difference. While that's processing and working itself in, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a plastic cap over my head. That is so much better. And guys, do not forget to apply to your edges, okay? These edges need strengthening. I'm gonna try to leave this on for about an hour or two. We'll see what happens, child. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I actually was supposed to keep this on my head. I said like an hour or so. It ended up being 6 hours.
And one thing I can say, this thing is soft. Like, it has my hair feeling so soft, and it's like so defined. Like, my hair literally looks like I did a braid out or a twist out or something. My hair literally looks like I did a braid out or a twist out. But it is so soft.
Now, Cassia is reported to have some benefits for the scalp as well, like antibacterial, antimicrobial benefits and stuff, anti-inflammatory benefits. So it helps a lot with like dandruff and like scalp conditions. I don't really have scalp conditions. I do get a bit of dandruff and dry scalp every now and then, so hopefully it will help with that. So final things to say about my first time trying Cassia or neutral henna. Number one, like I mentioned, my hair is super soft. My curls got super defined, but yeah, my hair does feel super thick. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this in my regimen. I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition for now, and I don't know if I'll catch you guys later, but if I don't catch you later, bye bye. Anyway, so I got a good 6 hours yesterday with the Cassia treatment to strengthen and condition my hair and sort out any scalp issues. And I also had a good 11 hours of deep conditioning my hair overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out and come back and show you guys the final result. All right guys, so just final looks. This is my hair. As you can see, it was not colored in any way, shape, or form. It's still jet black, and it is very, very soft. Super, super, super soft. And this is where my hair hits. Whoa, that's actually pretty long. That's longer than I thought. What? Wait a minute. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.